How to stop syncing your profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. The first things first is access your Facebook account and then head directly to your user profile. Now, once you're on the menu, just scroll down a bit till you find settings and privacy and head directly to settings. And once you're here, just choose on Meta Accounts Center and tap on your profile, tap on your profile again, and for the last time, tap on your profile, but specifically to Instagram. Now, in this specific area right here, this is going to be the page in which you can turn off the sync profile info. Now, this is going to be vice versa, same method if you do it on Instagram. So if you turn this off and then you will change your profile picture from Facebook, it will automatically not be synced to your Instagram account. So that's it. So after you turn it off, everything will be set. So that is how you stop or you disable syncing your profile picture from Instagram to Facebook account.